Welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a working Hostinger coupon code in 2026, your search ends right here. Because today I am sharing an exclusive code that gives you a full 20% extra discount on every single Hostinger plan, plus a free domain on top of that. Most coupon codes floating around online only get you 10%. Mine automatically doubles that the moment you land on the Hostinger website. No manual entry, no guesswork. I've dropped the discount link in the description and pinned comment sorted by country so you get pricing in your local currency and language. Click your link and it takes you straight to the official Hostinger site. Today I am setting up a self-hosted N8N instance, which is perfect if you want full control over your automation workflows without paying monthly SaaS fees. Head to the services menu in the navbar and select the self-hosted N8N option. You'll see four plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. I'm going with KVM2 today because it hits the sweet spot between performance and price for most automation use cases. Add it to cart, proceed to checkout and watch the 20% discount and free.com domain apply automatically. Quick tip: always register with a fresh email to make sure the deal activates cleanly. If this saved you money, drop a like and subscribe. More automation deals and N8N tutorials are coming every week.